Ms. Heard was filing a restraining order at a courthouse in downtown Los Angeles. So I dispatched camera people to that location.
Under what circumstances would you normally send paparazzi to a courthouse?
Only if we had been informed prior. It's not by any means a celebrity hotspot. We would only ever send people there if we had been tipped off that something was occurring and there was somebody present there.
The judge who oversaw Johnny Depp's trial against Amber Heard ruled that TMZ couldn't stop one of its former journalists from taking the witness stand, handing Depp's legal team a win. The testimony from the former journalist Morgan Tremaine later established that the celebrity news publication had been able to publish exclusive photos and videos of Amber during the early stages of her contentious divorce from Depp based on tips it received about her whereabouts. Depp's camp believed the Aquaman actress had always worked with the gossip publishers, but it seems that relationship has ended badly. So what has Amber done to prompt TMZ to toss her to the side? Or is she no longer resourceful? Let's find out. Amber Heard made a tearful return to the stand in her and Johnny Depp's defamation trial, denying she tipped off the paparazzi before filing a temporary restraining order against her then-husband in 2016. "I did not call TMZ or any other news source or paparazzi source. No one," Amber insisted in the Virginia courtroom. During the exchange, Depp's attorney Camille Vasquez and Amber talked over each other about her trip to a Los Angeles courthouse in May 2016, creating the dynamic the two shared when Amber was last seen on the stand for almost 4 days of testimony. Former TMZ employee Morgan Tremaine gave short testimony where he discussed sending paparazzi to follow the Justice League star to court and publishing a video of Depp smashing cabinets and screaming that Amber had recorded. "What actual survivor of domestic violence wants that?" Amber said that after Camille accused her of being in cahoots with TMZ. "If I wanted to leak it, I would have done a lot more with it," the lawyer replied. "You testified earlier you didn't know how to leak things." Charles Tobin, an attorney representing TMZ's parent company, EHM Productions, sought to stop Tremaine's testimony. He told Judge Penny Askerit that he anticipated Tremaine would testify about the source of a video published on August 12, 2016, which depicts Depp yelling at Amber and smashing cabinets. The video was played for jurors earlier in the trial, and Depp's attorney suggested that Amber's lawyers maintained a close relationship with TMZ journalists. Tobin urged Judge Penny to squash a subpoena that would force Tremaine to testify in the case. He said that TMZ promised the source who gave him the video that their identity would remain confidential and that the publication hadn't waived that confidentiality. It now appears this breach of trust has deteriorated the relationship between Amber and TMZ. TMZ makes such promises of confidentiality from time to time so that it may publish information in the public interest, and it relies on the journalist's privilege protecting the identity of confidential sources to do so, Tobin wrote in the filing to the court. Tobin also wrote that Tremaine wasn't involved in obtaining the video and lacks first-hand knowledge of the identity of the confidential source who provided it, and that any of his claims would be based on rumor and conjecture. Furthermore, Tobin said that permitting Tremaine's testimony would put all reporters who wanted to protect confidential sources at risk. This is seen as yet another reason why the rumor publishers have abandoned Amber. A news organization will have absolutely no control over being able to enforce its promises, Tobin said in court. And so we would ask the court to permit us to intervene and to assert the privilege that belongs to TMZ. Judge Penny, however, ruled that Tobin and EHM Productions didn't meet the legal standards to intervene in the case, since TMZ's arguments weren't directly linked to the underlying defamation case. Despite losing her countersuit against ex-hubby Johnny Depp, Amber has continued to face the wrath of the public, who even accused her of staging PR stunts to make her trend. One of those accusations came after she was spotted shopping. At first, the Amber TJ Maxx story seemed too surreal to be actually true. There were many inconsistencies that didn't add up to the place she was spotted and also the way in which the footage was taken. More detailed evidence reports suggest that the actress staged the whole story with her sister. According to an expert who deals with these types of paparazzi material, there's no way a photographer wouldn't want credit for taking a picture that'll make all headlines around the world. Further evidence also suggests that Amber's sister was the one who took both the pictures and the video. In the footage, the actress appears to have a basket full of clothing from TJ Maxx, and she leaves it unattended as soon as she realizes she's being filmed. When the first headlines started coming, there was a lot of sympathy for the actress, as they said she was broke or was going through financial issues. But the evidence suggests she only wants people to feel sorry for her with this latest stunt, and even TMZ has given her a cold reception. Perhaps she wanted to get the public off her case after losing the trial, or she wanted to offer an image of a broke person who can't pay Johnny Depp his money. Whatever the case may be, this is a new low, even for her. Do you think Amber has been staging stunts and inviting the media all along? Let us know in the comments below. In our upcoming videos, we'll be bringing you more of such amazing content, so be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't get to miss any of them.